Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix your PC will automatically restart in 1 minute. Open the command prompt console as administrator. Click Yes to enter. There, run the command sfc/scano to analyze the file system. You can track the percentage of analysis performed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. At the end of this process, confirm the result obtained. Finally, restart the PC to apply this change and correct this error. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.